Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the charging sound on your iPhone. So let's start. First, open the Siri Shortcuts app and tap on Automation at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on the plus icon on top right corner and select Create Personal Automation. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Charger. Is connected is by default selected. Now tap on Next on top right corner. Then tap on Add Action. Now search for Speak. Scroll down and select Speak Text. Now tap on Text and type in your message. You can also add music. Let's go back. You have to follow the same process. Instead, you have to search for music. Scroll down and tap on Play Music. Now tap on Music. You can add music from your library or you can select radio. But for this video, we'll stick with Speak Text. Now tap on Next on top right corner. Since you are creating an automation, you have to disable the option Ask Before Running. Now tap on Don't Ask and tap Done on top right corner. And your automation is created. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.